Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn Wisteria into Bluebells with the Wisteria Wishes bundle. All right, this is my Wisteria card, and I turned the Wisterias into bluebonnets. So I created a watercolor background, so I will show you how I did that. So for the watercolored background, I have used Tahitian Tide and Granny Apple Green. And I like to go ahead and get the whole paper wet. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And then I just add a little bit of the Tahitian Tide all the way down. And then I grab the dark and start adding the dark in, and the dark ink gets pulled down and makes this really cool looking sky. I'm gonna add a little bit more right there, so let me do that again. So, yes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wipe this off and squeeze to clean it till it comes out clear. There we go. And then we're gonna do some more water down here. Be careful to stay away from that edge a little bit. We're gonna add some Granny Apple Green. I'm running out of water on this one, so I'm gonna switch to this one, which already has got some Granny Apple Green going. And then we'll just add some dark stuff to the bottom, trying to get the dark, and we'll see how that acts. And we'll make it a little bit closer. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry. And we're gonna stamp some bluebonnets. So I'm going to start by stamping in Tahitian Tide, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Starry Sky to the bottom. You can add it, make it really dark on the bottom and then lighter towards the top. And then you stamp it and you have your bluebonnets. And you can do this for other flowers to create other colored flowers. And so I'm going to show you how I put this card together. So I have already got my pieces. They're all dry now. I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus to adhere this down. It's good to use a strong adhesive. Beautiful. And now we're going to add dimensionals to all of our pieces. So I've already stamped and cut out the blue bonnets. So I have all of those here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have stamped and cut out all of the leaves. And I've also stamped and cut out the wishing you the happiest of birthdays from the Charming Sentiment stamp set. And then the dies cut out the sentiment. So really cool bundle. So I'm just going to add dimensional stamp. All right, now I can add on all of the rows of flowers. So let me see here. I think I layered this over this. So I didn't use dimensionals on this part. Then we're going to add our blue bonnets. And our sentiment. And there we have our finished blue bonnets card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle. Just use my current host code. You can also place a $40 order using my current host code, and I will also send you this kit. So just email me and let me know that you would like this Wisteria Wishes card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.